Hello people, welcome to Ruckus Rides. Today's project is I'm going to be removing my current air filter system and installing a new Arlen Ness Monster Sucker in my 03 Fat Boy, and that should be just about the last thing that I have to do to it. So I'll come back and give you a picture of it and see what you think.
Alright, so Ruckus has that old air breather off now. And then this is what he's going to be putting on. Well, here it is, all done. The Arlen Ness Monster Sucker. Jim's got that all installed. Looks pretty good. So we're gonna, this man can never have too much chrome. All right, we're gonna start her up, see what she sounds like.
Today is the first time I'm taking a ride with my new Monster Sucker by Arlen Ness. Allegedly, I'm going to gain some horsepower and some torque. It has certainly made my bike a little bit louder. And to tell you the truth, it feels a lot more peppy. As my friend would say, Moto Blonde, I would rate this a 3 ponytail installation.
not necessarily for the novice, for the first time mechanic. But all in all, it wasn't so terribly horrible. What a beautiful day, finally. The humidity in this area in Central Florida has been about 95% for the last week or so. And today it's dropped down some, so it's actually pleasant out. Still about 95 degrees. I know all you guys up north are still probably getting some bad weather, some cold mornings. I used to live in Maine and New Jersey, so I know all about the cold winters and the cold falls and even the cold spring. I can remember many days on my birthday, which is March 20th, that there'd be snow in New Jersey, first day of spring. And in Maine it was almost always snow. It was cold until at least April. That's why I'm here. I can ride all year. And as you can see, it's just beautiful. So far, I'm very happy with the performance on this thing. I think it was a good investment. I'm going to keep the bike from running rich. It's going to lean it out a little bit. Keep an eye on the plugs and make sure they're burning okay. If not, I can still fine-tune it. I've been doing a lot of work recently on my 84 Softail. New cams, new clutches, new stator, new regulator. Debating whether I want to sell it or not. I'll post some pictures, and if anybody's interested, you know, hit me up. We can talk. I got a ton of money in it. It's virtually new from one end to the other. From the front end to the rear end. It runs like a beast. I just put a new S&S Super E carburetor on it. Seemed to be a big improvement over the old CV carb. which I still have, and it'll go with the bike if I sell it. Gas prices are actually going up again. Wow. If anybody would like to comment on how you think the bike sounds and how you think it sounds, like if it's performing okay, let me know. I think I pretty well got it tuned in. What a nice day for a ride. I'm going to be turning off up here to go visit a friend. So thanks for joining me. As always, keep your feet on the pegs and your knees in the breeze, and ride safe. Thanks for riding with Ruckus.